Khoroksa Dr. Kathaliani simi Melaghar transfer wngwi phaimani Salba Twi rojakya wngwi tongmani bagwi belaike khamjak. Yoksokni wngwi social media ni bisingtwi swkang minister koihorna nangkha. Tangwi twi roya wngkha tangwi omahai khaika belaike palthakjak boni phaniwo. Phiyaba bo social media ni bisingtwi swkang minister tei hasteni joto tongko songlukurokno sirona musukabo salba romoi bosok kosto khe matongkha tei bahai borokno bo monnai eba samung khainai abono boni belaikhene kakhammani.
I am posted in Melaghar subdivision hospital, but since there is no quarter, I have to stay in my previous posting Kathaliya hospital. And my colleague, staff nurse, Dr. staff nurse, she hasn't given me water since 5 days, and I don't know how many days she will keep me. She is ragging me the whole this week. She hasn't given me water, not a single drop of water. Now I request, especially I want to convey my message to especially our health minister, that wherever there is posting for the dental surgeons, either CSC, PSC or district hospital, please give a dental quarter. Because me being a dental officer, I don't have a dental quarter. So I have to stay in a staff nurse quarter. And all the staff nurse, if they gang up on medical officer not giving water, where water is a basic need of a person. Water is life. And they are indirectly deliberately not giving me water. So I am not able to perform my duty properly, irregularly. And now, due to COVID protocol, after doing duty, we have to come and take bath. Even I can brush my teeth, how can I take my bath? How can I do my duty? How can I serve the people of Kathaliya and Melaghar? When I am not being served, I am a person from Kwai. I have been transferred from Kwai. So what image I will take from the Tripura district? That there is no water and food for a dental officer. I request our health minister to please provide us dental quarter at least to all the districts, so that no dental officers suffer these from roti kapra maka. Thank you.